Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about articles and anagram. Before this, I have taught you about article in grade 2. I hope you remember where to use a and the. Remember? If not, you can watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an and the, make anagrams from simple one-syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Falaq, verse 1. Say, I seek refuge in the rub of daybreak. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. But this verse is giving us a golden rule. Wherever you find anything problematic, say A'udhu billah, Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq. Okay, so whatever the situation is, you are in the refuge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? So have you memorized this beautiful surah? Surah Falaq? You should. Okay. Now look at this the. Do you know it's also an article? We have learnt about it in grade 2. So we will learn about articles. And before that, you tell me, where do we use a and where do we place an? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you answered? So let's recall. Where do we use a? The article a or an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. Means it's a general noun and also it's singular. So we use a or an. We choose one out of these two. How do we choose a or an? If the noun is starting with a consonant sound, it takes article a boy. And if it starts with a vowel sound, it takes article an igloo. Remember, this we have learned in detail in grade 1 and in grade 2 also. But if our noun is a plural, and remember plural, it means more than one, we don't use a or an. Okay, boys. Igloos, it does not take a or an. All right. How do we use it in sentence? This is a chair, right? This is a chair. Now it's a general. Give me a chair, please. If I ask you, give me a chair, please, what will you do? You will take a chair and bring it to me. It means any chair, a chair, one chair, which can be any. There is no specification, right? And we use an with a vowel sound. He is an astronaut, and an astronaut is trained for space flight. So why I have used an? Because astronaut, this noun is starting with a vowel sound, right? And it is singular and it is general. Okay. Now article the comes. Where do we use it? We use the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader or to the listener. So when we use the, it means that noun becomes specific. How? As I told you, if I ask you this is a chair, it means this can be any chair. But if I say, give me the chair, it means I am pointing to a specific chair. Give me the chair. The one I'm pointing, you will bring that to me. it becomes, this is how use of the makes the noun particular. Okay, all right, are you clear with the, we have learnt about it. Now let's recall it through an activity again. What we are going to do, teacher will make pairs of students, and in pairs students take it in turns to read a sentence aloud to their partner using the word blank. Okay, you will say blank for the two missing articles in each sentence. Means there will be a sentence, there will be two missing articles, and you will say blank for that article. The partner then tries to complete the sentence with a, an, or the. Now the partner, the one is reading and the other has to find out it's a, an, or the. If a student completes the sentence correctly, they move on to the second sentence on their next turn. And if a student gets one or both missing articles wrong, they stay on the first sentence, right? And their partner then tells them how many articles they got wrong. If one article is not incorrect, their partner indicates which one. The first student to get to finish wins the game. Okay? So teacher, you can make this activity as long as you want your students to do it correctly for all the sentences. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now let's practice it in your book. All of you, open your book on page number 28. What you will do, question 12, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Now sentences are given to you. You have to complete it by selecting a correct article. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. The next concept we are learning today is anagram. What is anagram? Anagram are words we spell by rearranging the letters of another word. For example, now look at these two words, race and care. If you look at their letters, all the four letters in both words are same. So in first word, race, when we rearrange these letters as C, A, R, E, it becomes care. Now all the letters are same, but these are two different words and both are meaningful words. Part, T, R, A, P. Part and trap. Same letters. By rearranging these letters, a new word comes. Keen, it's knee, and keen. All the letters are same, but we just rearrange them in a new arrangement. It becomes a new word. These are called anagrams. Okay? So, anagrams are words that contain the same letters but arranged in a different order. For example, act and cat, lemon and melon. So, you have to make anagrams with these words. This is question 11. Pause the video, complete this question in your books, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So, it's time for your homework. You will make a list of different objects available at your home by using each article a and the, and write 5 words and also their anagrams. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we recalled that the article a, an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known, and the article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to reader or listener. So we achieved our SLO to recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an, and the, make anagrams from simple one-syllable words. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.